Project management is more than tracking tasks or updating spreadsheets. It is the structured discipline of turning objectives into successful outcomes within defined constraints of time, cost, and scope. In this video, we'll explore 10 vital project management skills that consistently determine whether projects succeed or struggle. These skills apply across industries from technology and construction to healthcare, operations, and marketing, and they combine both technical structure and human leadership. Let's begin. First skill, clear communication. Clear communication is the foundation of every successful project. Many project issues begin with vague expectations. A statement like, "Let's complete this soon," may sound harmless, but different team members will interpret it differently. One assumes tomorrow, another assumes next week. Professional communication removes ambiguity. It specifies what needs to be delivered by when, in what format, and through which channel. When expectations are precise, alignment improves. When alignment improves, delays decrease. Strong communication reduces rework, prevents misunderstandings, and protects credibility. Second essential skill, planning and organization. Enthusiasm alone does not deliver projects. Structured planning does. Some projects begin with a clear goal, but without a detailed roadmap. Teams move forward quickly, only to encounter confusion about responsibilities, sequencing, or scope boundaries. Effective project management defines what is included, and equally important, what is not included. Work is broken into phases. Tasks are assigned. Dependencies are mapped. For example, marketing campaigns should not begin before product specifications are finalized. Identifying that sequence early prevents costly rework later. Planning creates direction. Organization creates control. Third essential skill, risk management. Every project contains uncertainty. Ignoring risk does not eliminate it. It simply delays confrontation. Consider a situation where one individual handles a critical deliverable. If that person becomes unavailable, progress may halt entirely. Proactive risk management identifies such vulnerabilities early. Backup plans are developed. Dependencies are documented. Contingencies are prepared. Risk management does not aim to predict the future perfectly. It aims to reduce impact when disruption occurs. Prepared projects respond. Unprepared projects react. Fourth essential skill, time management. Time is one of the most visible measures of project success. Teams often work intensely, still fall behind schedule. In many cases, the issue is not effort, it is prioritization. When every task feels urgent, focus becomes diluted. Work may begin out of sequence, causing repeated corrections. Effective time management means understanding dependencies, sequencing tasks logically, and monitoring progress consistently. Working in the right order increases efficiency without increasing stress. Deadlines should guide execution, not create panic. Fifth essential skill, leadership. Project management is not only technical, it is human. Some managers attempt to maintain control through constant oversight or public correction. While this may create short-term compliance, it weakens long-term engagement. Strong leadership sets expectations clearly, supports team members when obstacles arise, and addresses issues constructively. Recognizing team contributions during milestone achievements reinforces motivation. When trust exists within a team, collaboration improves, and when collaboration improves, results follow. Leadership transforms plans into performance. Sixth essential skill, emotional intelligence. Technical competence alone is not enough in complex project environments. Emotional intelligence, often referred to as EQ, influences how effectively a project manager handles pressure, conflict, and diverse personalities. Under stress, reactions matter. For example, when a deadline is missed, frustration may be natural. However, responding with blame can damage morale and reduce accountability. A more emotionally intelligent response seeks understanding first, identifying root causes, clarifying obstacles, and they implementing corrective action. Self-awareness, empathy, and composure under pressure strengthen team stability. Projects are delivered by people. Managing emotions is part of managing performance. Seventh essential skill, problem solving and decision making. No project unfolds exactly as planned. Unexpected challenges arise from vendor delays to scope changes to technical complications. Sometimes teams delay decisions while waiting for perfect clarity. Other times, energy is spent identifying fault rather than finding solutions. Effective project managers assess situations quickly, evaluate realistic options, and make informed decisions based on available data. Timely action maintains momentum. Perfection is rare in dynamic environments. Progress, however, is essential. Eighth vital skill, stakeholder management. Projects operate within networks of influence. Stakeholders, whether executives, clients, sponsors, or operational teams, all have different expectations and priorities. Providing identical information to every stakeholder often creates misalignment. Detailed technical reports may overwhelm senior leaders, while high-level summaries may leave technical teams uncertain. Effective stakeholder management adapts communication to the audience. Strategic updates are delivered to leadership. Operational details are shared with execution teams. When expectations are aligned early, resistance decreases and support strengthens. Ninth vital skill, negotiation. Negotiation is a daily responsibility in project management, even when it does not appear formal. Scope adjustments, deadline pressures, and resource limitations require balanced discussions. For instance, a stakeholder may request additional features without extending the timeline. Simply agreeing can overload the team. Immediately rejecting the request may create tension. A balanced approach acknowledges the request while explaining its impact. Options may be presented, such as extending the deadline, adjusting scope, or allocating additional resources. Effective negotiation protects both relationships and realism. Realistic commitments are achievable commitments. 10th essential skill, adaptability. Change is inevitable in project environments. Market conditions evolve, business priorities shift, requirements are refined. Some teams rigidly follow original plans even when circumstances change. This may result in delivering outputs that no longer align with current needs. Adaptability allows recalibration. Plans are reassessed. Impacts are evaluated. Adjustments are implemented while maintaining strategic objectives. Flexibility, when combined with structure, creates resilience. In dynamic environments, adaptability becomes a competitive advantage. The 10 vital project management skills discussed are clear communication, planning and organization, risk management, time management, leadership, emotional intelligence, problem solving and decision making, stakeholder management, negotiation, adaptability. Together, these skills combine structure, strategy, and human leadership. Project success is not accidental. It is built through disciplined execution, thoughtful communication, and strong professional capability. Thank you for watching. For more contents on project management and PMP exam, please follow PMX Hub on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram.